Hello everybody! Today on Tactical Takeback we have a Mossberg 715T. If you ever shot one of these, you know they're garbage.
You're probably not satisfied with the weapon you bought.
Toy.
That's what it feels like.
It's cheap plastic, let's say. Well, today we're going to be showing you how to paint it. It's his gun.
This will improve the accuracy.
Yeah.
And the damage.
And scariness. Possibly, depending.
Well, you have that much plastic, and here's the metal
Hey,
part of the gun.
there's screws.
Just have the receiver and the
plastic
barrel.
together.
And that is the only, basically the only metal.
Yep.
Well, anyways, to start, we're gonna go over our setup here. Anyways, we got our gun. We've got 5 different kinds of spray paint.
We have our base coat. Serve as a primer for the plastic of the weapon.
We're thinking our base color is gonna be whatever this is called.
Green.
Just green, ultra flat, non-reflective finish. Rust-Oleum, good stuff. Been mixing a little bit of tan and some brown.
And we'll finish it off with a clear coat.
A few clear coats actually, because we've done this before, and we've decided more clear coat.
Good clear coat job is the best clear
It
coat
is the
job.
best. Anyways, review on the weapon. Not good. It cycles okay.
Alright,
Did
well,
jam?
let's...
Yeah, it did jam.
It did jam. Let's
Not
get
good.
to it.
Alright, so first step, we're going to disassemble it, which we already did. Tape it. Tape anywhere you want to keep the same colors. Okay, like our grip, our swing swivel, which actually if I can just take that out, can't we? Or is it in there permanently? I don't know. Anyways, you want to keep the butt plate black. The magazine, so it matches in the end. We keep that black. In the end, our mag release is going to be black, our trigger is going to be black. That might be it, I'm not sure. But we're going to break it apart for easy painting. Like so. And we're going to get to it. So we're using our Krylon primer crap, I guess. Shake her up. I'm going to make sure this is all the way extended. If you have a ATI stock now. Just do light coats, a little bit at a time. I want to hit it from most all angles to pretty much hit everything. All angles. This spray paint kind of sucks. And I'll do this and we can cut for now. Now that our one side has a decent base coat, we're gonna flip it over to the other side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna touch it in an inconspicuous place. Make sure it's not tacky, which is not. You let it sit long enough, so we pick it up, flip her over. And rinse and repeat. Shake it, spin it. Pop the top off and get to it. our initial priming coat on our 1B AR is complete. Pow pow. Now we're gonna add our next base coat, our main color. Gonna make it look nice. Green. Get the cap off somehow. Holy crap. Shake it up. Swirl around. Same thing as before. Start thin, stay thin. Same thing as before. I'm gonna circle the table and just enjoy. So we got one side done, same thing as last time. We're gonna flip it over and hit the other side. Of course, you want to do this after it flashes, and flashing is where it's not sticky anymore, I guess. Using this Rust-Oleum in a decently warm environment, it doesn't take long at all. And we got a small little fudge up right here. It's not working too well. Hopefully it'll be okay in the end. We'll find out. And of course, I don't need to say it, but same things as last time. So we're back for day 2 of our 715T project. As you see from our upwards camera, it's flat dark green, not dark green but flat green, and we're going to be adding brown into the mix now. It's going to be going on top of our green color. So of course we got to shake it up, swirl it around, break everything up. Now we have a bottle cut down so we can spray paint into the bottle, so it's not spray paint. You can use regular paint if you want, but just stick with the Rust-Oleum. Make it all work better. And you want to make a small puddle down there, and it's probably going to be quite fumey. So just start and spray into a puddle like that. I'm going to step outside for a minute and do this out there. Now that we're back from spraying our paint in, spray it down the side at an angle, and you shouldn't splatter too much. And we'll take our sponge, dip a little bit on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try it over here first, see how my pattern is. I kind of like that pattern. I know I skipped the sponge part, so here we're going to take a sponge, an old one's fine. Gotta cut it off, break it up, make it rough. Then we're gonna take it after we test it, and we're gonna find a place and start putting on our paint. Not too much at a time though, or else you'll have some bubbles. And well, this is gonna take a while, so we'll cut and throw on the other camera.